Welcome to our chocolate factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate peanut caramel bars are made, from premium ingredients to
Huge automated mixers whip a blend of sugar syrup and milk ingredients. Through the aeration system, the mixture is transformed, becoming the smooth and creamy fluffy nougat center. Every layer is carefully controlled to achieve the signature texture. Every bar is tested before reaching stores worldwide.
And that's how chocolate peanut caramel bars are made, from premium ingredients to one of the world's most beloved candy treats.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.